So for phonics today, we are learning the f sound. Now it's not this type of. Can you guess how else we can spell the sound f? Alright, hopefully you guess the p and the h put together makes f. So let's go through our words quickly. Alphabet, which is our A, B, C's. Elephant, which is one of our big fives. Phonic or phonics, which is what we're learning now. Dolphin, we all know what a dolphin is, that mammal in the sea. A phone, I'm sure all of you already have a phone. A nephew is when your brother or your sister has a child, that is your nephew. Microphone, there's an E at the end of microphone. Just make it a bit smaller. There we go, microphone. A microphone is something that you can speak into, and then it makes it a lot louder, or it helps you for people online to hear you. Telephone is similar to a cell phone, but it has a wire and it's plugged into the wall. A graph, we use graphs when we do data handling. Laugh, I'm sure we all have laughed in our life. Phase, a phase is something that happens but then goes away. So sometimes we like to play with dolls, and then we grow out of that phase, and then we decide we like to play with spaceships maybe. Then photo, we all know what a photo is, when a camera takes a photo. And a trophy, when you get an award, you win a trophy. Okay, let's just go through them once more. Alphabet, elephant, phonic, or phonics, let's make it phonics. Then dolphin, phone, nephew, microphone, telephone, graph, laugh, phase, photo, trophy. Okay. Now I'd like for you to use 5 or more of these words to make or come up with a little story about anything that you want.